Hey guys, this is Brian with Marine Part Source, and we're here at the Aquila booth at the Miami Boat Show. Many of their yachts on display here. Let's go check them out and see how many products they have installed on these yachts that we have in stock. Here we've got the Aquila 50 yacht power catamaran. We just want to step aboard and show you some of the products that they're featuring on this yacht. Come on board. Hey guys, as you can see here, this is the MyTouch control loaded with an Aquila logo, which you can upload onto the MyTouch control. This yacht is equipped with Webasto HVAC. Here we are in the master suite of the Aquila 50, and as you can see here, they've got the MyTouch control right next to the bed here to control the climate right here in the master suite. Here on this Aquila 50, it's equipped with an isotherm wine fridge. These are available in multiple sizes, and Marine Part Source, it has them in stock and ready to go. We're taking a look at the freshwater system here on the Aquila 50, and as you can see, there's a Whale universal pump with accumulator tank. That Duel is available through Marine Part Source. Also, you'll notice the white fittings. Those are WX series plumbing fittings from Whale, which are also in stock at all of our locations at Marine Part Source. As you can see, this vessel is equipped with the Webasto BlueCool V-Series variable speed chiller. When it comes to below-counter refrigeration, modern yachts are taking advantage of Isotherm's new drawer refrigeration units. These are very convenient because you have a top-down look at the contents in your fridge with easy access to those items without having to squat down to see what's in there. Freezer drawer slides out with ease, and it also has a fold-down rack for convenient storage of wine bottles and things like that, wine and champagne bottles. Hi, we're here at the helm of the Aquila 50, and we just wanted to point out that this vessel is equipped with a side power or a Sleipner speed-controlled thruster system. Here you'll notice that there's a hold functionality on the control that allows you to incrementally pin the boat against the dock for ease of handling dock lines and things of that nature. It also has an LCD screen which will show you battery power remaining runtime, all of that for your convenience as well. Marine Part Source is a distributor for Sleipner and side power controls, thrusters, and any other accessories that you may need for your vessel. We're on another Aquila vessel here at the Miami show, and as you can see up here, these are equipped with twin Lewmar Hatches. These are also products that Marine Part Source stocks. And over here on the flybridge, you see that this Aquila is also equipped with an isotherm drawer refrigerator with freezer. This Aquila is equipped with an FCF self-contained air conditioning system, also available from Marine Part Source. In the salon of this Aquila vessel, you'll notice that it has a custom drawer built in for seamless and consistent cabinetry throughout. This isotherm refrigerator has a custom panel mounted to the front, so it matches all surrounding cabinetry. We're on the transom of another Aquila, and we notice that it's equipped with a Whale twist transom shower. Tucks away in this convenient mount, and you can pull it out to rinse off after a swim in the salt water. Last but not least, we wanted to point out this Isotherm clear ice maker that's installed on the transom of this Aquila yacht.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check back in on our YouTube page for more exciting content. And also, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us out a lot.